Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Number 1. Freelancing. Providing some type of freelance service is a popular side hustle, and one that I often recommend for people who need to make extra money quickly. It's seriously a great way to start and something I've done myself too. The limitation with freelancing or consulting, of course, is that you only have so many hours in the day, which puts a natural cap on your earning potential. You may also face the challenge of clients hiring you, your knowledge or expertise, instead of the result you deliver for them. Your expertise is definitely a good selling point, but can be tough to grow out if you want to expand. What to do instead? If your goal is to build something that grows beyond yourself, consider an agency or matchmaker model from the beginning. What do I mean by that? Instead of freelance writing, consider starting a content writing agency. Doing graphic design? Consider starting a design agency. Cleaning houses? Consider starting a cleaning company. There are examples in the Side Hustle Show archives of all of these. For instance, Gabe Arnold started Copywriter Today and grew it $20,000 a month. His strategy? Bring on other people to write the content and focus on getting clients. You don't even need to be an expert in the business you start. Russ Perry, the founder, designed Pickle, a mega popular graphic design service, admitted to me, "I sucked at design." This works even in offline businesses. Chris Schwab built a residential house cleaning business to $60,000 a month in 2 years while never doing any cleaning himself. Number 2. Taking surveys. Look up any list of ways to make extra money and you're sure to find some online survey options. Heck, I include them as an option too. These are websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. And while you can definitely make a little money answering surveys and watching videos, I think you'll find the effective hourly rate to be pretty sad. Exemption. 3 survey resources I do really like are Respondent, matches you up with paid research studies online and in person and often pays $100 an hour or more. User interviews, well-paying professional and consumer studies. Check our full user interviews review for home. Rare patient voice, $100 an hour for patients with rare and not so rare medical conditions. What to do instead? Instead of being the person answering the questions, flip the script and become the interviewer. Ask people and business owners what their plans are. What problems and challenges are they facing? How much is that costing them? After you've done your homework, think of what solution you could offer. How could you help them? Make the pain go away. John Loger is an absolute pro at this and followed this exact method to pre-sell over $120,000 worth of work. It was just from simple conversations and learning about real expensive problems. You can even do this in your own life. I call this the what sucks method of coming up with business ideas. It's simple. How it looks is you go through your day making mental note of everything that sucks. If it sucks for you, it probably sucks for other people too. Solve that pain and you've got a business idea you can test. Number 3. Blogging. Now don't get me wrong, I love blogging. The problem is, most people don't go about it the right way. I know because I was the person for my first 5 years as a blogger. While I love the creative process of and building the writing habit, I spent countless hours creating content that almost nobody read. Most blogs I see fail as a business because they don't have a clear value proposition, what's in it for me, the reader, plan to generate traffic, great revenue model, what to do instead. Instead of a generic personal blog, build a helpful, authoritative resource on one topic. Consider picking up Donald Miller's Building a Story brand. It's not about blogging specifically, but it will help you think through your customer's journey and how you can help them. When I come to your site, it should be immediately apparent how you can help me and why I should stick around. With each post you write, think of how you'll get people to read it. Will it rank in Google? Will you get traffic from Pinterest? Will you do manual outreach? Number 4. Real estate. Real estate investing is one of the oldest side hustles out there and remains popular today. And I think that's for good reason. I mean, building a portfolio of houses and having other people pay them off is awesome. It can be a path to escape the rat race and build a serious nest egg. But real estate is also super easy to screw up. It's often expensive to get started and can be slow to diversify. Costly and unforeseen problems like my friends who had to redo their foundation for $90,000 can eat up years' worth of your profit all at once. If you're dead set on the traditional model of buy and hold single-family rental properties, by all means go for it. It can work and probably works better the more homes you own.